Today we're taking a look at the Tempo DFE100 drop fiber enclosure kit. Now these enclosures can be permanently buried or mounted on the side of a building. 2 enclosures are typically needed to repair a drop fiber as there's not enough slack. Now as we open it, here's a good look at its gasket. That gives it its IP68 rating. And it also includes 2 mechanical splices. Let's a good look at them. There's a 12-strand splice tray. And there's a good look at the fiber retention wings. Go ahead and adjust those easily. Make sure to keep that fiber nice and neat in there. Cable clamp, 1 on each side. There we go. And there's a quick look at where the mechanical splices sit. The gaskets, many different sizes. The largest size cable this will hold is a 0.20 millimeter. And the enclosure is about a 9 by 5 by 1.5 inches. So if you're doing drop fiber, this is a pretty cool, inexpensive little enclosure. Typically what you're going to want to do is buy 2 of them, because if you got it cut, you're going to need a little extra slack to take care of your application. Online in stock, order at discountlowvoltage.com. Thank you.